Kardom nili kedamtang ningkan baru hinira ningkan suri hinira ningkan kore hini 2022 ningkan Assam Sarkar atum Karbianglong arlo ba Karbianglong Autonomous Council nang ketek tang subject mokha nang chi thudun baret nang chi jokdun baret walam pen Guwahati High Court along Malaysia PIL akes iglo lapen lasokes pidet pen kedamtang ningkan isiga event angbong penangam kacingki jingwai dulo High Court long laso High Court long jingwai dat aphi ke non alam kerai abang atmidik si nang leiglo tarik foksier ni asi laso alam rai ateng pen pulo ke non bangke Karbianglong along kedua department 1995 aningkan ke cetok MOU along nang kidun a department angke pa department nangka Assam government atau non-kepo nang ciyok pun nang ciyok nangka Assam government ciyok rumah kayu lah macam ciyok tapi ini penbangke Karbianglong ka lahaya department bangke Constitution Amendment 1995 aningkan 60 long lucu ka joine si laso department ahem fu abangke Karbianglong Autonomous Council si plan datlo lasi laso a department mukha bangke non directorate mukha dak doi koko agriculture from the agriculture department ta directorate koko industry from the industry long ta directorate koko laso na kasi asitina department ta directorate to akko lapen head of department ko bangka ndak to akko lapen lamangso department marablu tudu asakuri bakuri pencenglok ke Anton ta Karbianglong Autonomous Council si sakuri bakuri menekan contract settlement lahiran ta Karbianglong Autonomous Council si ini kan ke klaim pomong ko la solam si nondak nongklan atema 95 MOU atut ke sign along tenai klang o emateng o pulon te principal secretary pencenglo departmental head of Tumhananta appointment kipi bante Karbianglong Autonomous Council se appointment lipo lapen labangso directorate andar particular isia bisaralam agriculture pulante agriculture directorate long lada kedoji atum lapen aperan officer ko an maduji ko an employees doima lahaya employee an mangta mane laso directorate kana pensi Karbianglong Autonomous Council si labangso appointment mokha banke bilong po lapen state government tum banke non ke nang ciyo kundelo asona taksi la department thongke pa bangta non banke constitution on lucho jele si la so banke ahem fu bange council laglo councilor te at pensi non masuli ko non education pulong te director secondary education pusito nai polo sita dom dake il tum hauswa agreement teng pulong te additional director pusito ko additional director of secondary education pupo so director power teng si laso additional director banke lada banke power banke exercise ko athi laso teng si lapan ke empowered ko lalo lasi state government atum ban nanga chathakun lahelo state government nungi pula hello at this stage Land Council appearing for the respondent state has submitted that as per the stand of the state government the memorandum of settlement 2011 arrived at between the state government KAC and other stakeholders is to be honored and till then the state government has not attempted to transgress over the rights of the KAC on the allotted subject and in future also the state government is bound to honor the conditions laid down in the Memorandum of Settlement 2011 in its full letter and spirit. Lason sido. Lapen aku tulang central government atuma part mangalo. Land Council appearing on behalf of the respondent Union of India has also issued this court that so far as the action required to be taken by the Union of India in terms of the Memorandum of Settlement 2011 are concerned, the process is going on and the central government shall take every possible step to abide by the term and conditions of the Memorandum of Settlement 2011. Labanke 2011 Memorandum of Settlement mati UPDS lapen DSD itu ke sign agreement lo. Nasi hal so putak Union government dumata ke claim je fan sisik bom lo ba claim bom lo pusi alam dumata. Nasi la so teng lo pun da itu mum dak kenanya bangke semet ke Union government tuma apartment kali. Mungkin tak minor modification do lang 2011 ko ejagat din tok atlo. Kita ejagat din lo bangke 1995 pusi tok langi MOU. Nasi laso modification do lang already high court long. Laso order correction mangi chinki atlo ukil lalu. Nasi laso teng lo long de non bangke Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council bangke powerful peak kunini ponar ni tengki lo. Lapen Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council ke isi alam kudang nang kunong te isi kupuloma legislative assembly teng. Ulahaya subject nangai dundu. Nasi hal haya pansi itu inherent subject pulo. Sita 1995 adengkan ASTC, KSA, and Sahil Students Federation, Dimasa Students Union of Tumpen, kajetok MOU ateng abang aputaksi 1st April cetok lo, lasupen 12 April ni, lasu ciklo thor masih tarik ini 12 April ni Assam Legislative Assembly lo isi consensus isi autonoma resolution denglo hal resolution maheno je MOU lo kecek tang additional subject thongkep aputhaga executive power banke ini ben banke state government atung banke exercise lo laso power banke Karbi Autonomous Council tumsi executive power exercise populo laso te intensi puthok laso ningkan masih 1995 ningkan masih 6th schedule to the Constitution of India. Paragraph 3 along amendment dolo laso amendment pensi जैसे मेरे बंके 7 schedule union list state list lapen concurrent list pulo lake thoma list longpen union government atumpen state atum constitution si kacirap mal pipina subject mane road bridges lahai dumati water lahai eja subject lo si union government atum state atum constitution mage thak taso atem si union government list tenta Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council tenta state atum ke thak atem si Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council thak lapen ke state list tenta laso amendment long si paragraph 3 6 to paragraph 3 long lahaya subject state list lapen concurrent list mukha banta dakpilu terlo lasi sole authority ke lage Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council lo lasi for 1951 hudle lapan pan subject ke inherent subject persona thakse additionally 30 hala aphaiming si cap subject do polonte non api thong cap all together lage three cap laso three cap subject banke inherent subject lo Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council lasi ladak si directorate ta dopo ladak si appointment ta dopo ladak si kadu ko ya kam dakten laso hem fu banke lage state government ka ilo state government tum ke dakke nang chulu ko lasi nili ako ipi bange lahelo state government atum hinpen lahaya department mokha lo nang chi job budwar kus nili ako ipi direct recruitment commission dolo penana sakori bakori pion sukidar sakori kipi lahayang ta state government tum cherai dalo arus lang tum frame lo ana halam national livestock mission polong ta penana arus lang tum frame lo sitalo ta veterinary department a directorate da Karbi Anglong sidona ista state government ban si claim baret lo lasi nono bangi claim nong lo la state government tum checha lo nono bangi claim pilo si la high court long ban ke lang checha gar lo lasi la high court case bang judik lo la pen lo mage puji non ke Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council bangke powerful lo nili pubom 1969 aningkan Assam Reorganization Act udulo halaswa Act pen ke plan autonomous state Meghalaya Sorapon Autonomous State pilo Meghalaya Sorapon Autonomous State pi hudu bangke subject pi kusada legislative power mukha bangke fully pipe se agriculture pulong te agriculture ke certain area ne Assam government dumsi rules bang claim sita certain area bangke Meghalaya Autonomous Council state dumsi lamang soa power bangke exercise legislative power bangke jolasong sita non Karbi Anglong lo laso 95 ni kan ke do laso constitution amendment na joine bangke lahaya subject ke bandet las da Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council lo nang act lapen ladak bangke state government tumke nang chudun ko ya thai tabe state government tum nang chudun ko ya thai tabe legislative power ta nang autonomous executive power nang autonomous laso nang autonomous joine si non bangke laso additionally 30 subject bangka lanon constitution of pi mana lutang nang lutti lang dolang ne mana lutle dolang na pi mana lutang ana bangke lagi inherent subject lo Karbi Anglong inherent subject lo laso department ahin thuke Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council lo lasi nilining khelo Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council ASEAN ke hai mata lahai lamte mata tabli fokus nilining khelo lapen rabjin pen lahai directorate office mokha pada kapedui afan alang tum kengkam dengkon fokus nilining khelo lapen laswa puthak long kaching bai ching sai long upima kenang sot ke dolang nani ko kene jong sin tum confusion dolang long te ile tum laswa mong ta kaching bai ching sai pen ile tum labang cepat clear melo sita Assam government da ini ye Islam unang pro da ari chirung koklo Assam government to mari chirung koklo ne nang tumalong nitum nang chi pudung ji ku kabo ie bang chok chedat lo lasi pini perke nitum nang chi pudung de lo lapen muke bangia por akut ans dame nitum la bangso ahin nok la executive power dan legislative power Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council pan ko amana pi tanga bangke la bang nitum nang chi pudung de lo nang chi yok de lo kusi state government ninta ninjita Atau legislative power ke ejak lanam certain laso 30 additional department lang alang tuke legislative power ada. Sita Assam Direct Recruitment Commission ke lagi isi legislation, isi alo selang tuke selang. Lasi laso alo ke selang ke alang tu macam apa? Lasi laso alo ke selang lang bangke alang tu excluding Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Dimahasa Autonomous Council, mula sontok na ibu. Lasi laso application bang dang bang dilo. Lasi lahelo enforcement. Lasi laso enforcement itu bang lah chokche pulo lasi recall punon. Recall na itu pulo laso kupipima cabinet decision itu constitution kupipima lang untuk kepem law kupipima lang untuk keselam. Laso ormu bangke nono bangke lasu recall. Review po recall. Laso sisi cakap.